When should I start reading books to my child? Many parents feel that reading starts only when a child can read words. But that's actually not true. Reading starts from birth. Even babies benefit from listening to your voice, watching your expressions, and looking at pictures. That's how language begins. And please remember, it is completely normal if your child doesn't sit through a full story. Some children flip pages quickly, some point at pictures, some walk away and come back. All of this is still reading. Choose simple picture books. Talk about what you see. Look at the dog. What color is this? Where is the ball? You don't need to read every word. Even 5 minutes a day is more than enough. Reading together builds language, focus, imagination, and emotional bonding. But more than anything, it teaches children that books are enjoyable. When children enjoy books early, reading becomes natural later, not forced. So start early, keep it relaxed, and enjoy the moment together.